Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rotimi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I decided to share 5 makeup products you need to have as a makeup beginner. Right now, I have like 50% makeup on. I have my eyebrow, I have mascara and eyeliner and a little bit of eyeshadow. Just I don't have foundation on right now. So anyways, without wasting much time, let's get into the video already. So let's start with product 5. Okay, so that you guys can see that I have no foundation on or powder on. It's just this. I turn off the beauty mode, you can see no foundation right now. So anyways, back to the main purpose of the video, the product. So for first product, I would definitely say foundation. I use the Fit Me foundation even if I'm not wearing right now. So this is the shade 03 and I also have in shade 02. So basically sometimes I mix it up and sometimes I just use any depending on what coverage I want. And this is 30 rand each. 30 rand, and the sticker is only says 10 rand. 30 rand. Okay, so product number 1 down. Okay, the next one after purse. Makeup bag, y'all. So the next product will be concealer. I use I made of Iman of Noble Conceal It, and I actually got this at this is actually 15 rand. And all this makeup I'm sharing with you all, it's actually drugstore makeup, so you can get it at the drugstore. It's really affordable at drugstore than getting it in a real makeup store. Okay, so the third product. Okay, so for the third product, I have my brow pencil. Actually, this is a 3-in-1, so it can be an eyeliner, a lip liner, and for your eyebrows also. That's what I use. And the good thing about this eyebrow that I like it, that make me love it so much, is because it's double-sided. One, this is a black side and this is the brown side, and I got it for 10 rand, like literally 10 rand. I feel like it's really cheap and it's nice. Okay, so for product number 4, you're gonna need lip glosses. I have different types of lip glosses. Even if I don't know where my plain lip gloss is, but I usually prefer plain lip glosses. And yeah, these are 2 different ones. So for the final product, which is my favorite one, which is a mascara. This mascara, I don't know, the price washed away already, but I love it. It's a really nice one. So yeah guys, so that's going to be the end of the 5 products. So in my next video, I'm going to be using the 5 products on my face on how to use them in case you don't know how to manage them. So yeah, that's pretty much for the video. And once again, before I forget, my birthday was last month, even if I forgot to do a vlog about it. So I'm going to post my makeup, the makeup look I had on, and my outfits on shot. So after this video, please go check it out, because I'm gonna posting it with this video, but I'm going to post it in shot. So please check it out. I love y'all so much and enjoy your day. Bye, see you in the next vlog. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the look I had on for today's video clearly. So it's just 50% makeup, just a high makeup, and check out the makeup please in the description.
Blooper. This happened a lot of time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rotimi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, I guess. So if you're new here, my name, oh my God, what am I saying?